Hey there, Paul from Trusted House Painter. If you're a homeowner and you're thinking about painting your house, I've got a quick design tip that could help you alleviate some of the pain of choosing colors. So the principle is, don't let the past create your future. What I mean by that is just because your house was painted a certain color or a style doesn't mean the new paint job has to. Let me show you exactly what I'm talking about. So in this project that we're painting right now, they have these corner boards. These corner boards that you can see right here, they were white before. Here's another one here. They were white, and the clients didn't know what to do, so they decided to go white. However, I told them that you don't need to let the past predict your future. So what we did was we actually changed the color scheme so that it included the body and the corner boards to tie in. And the reason why we did that is because sometimes when you have vertical stripes, it creates busyness to your eye. So what this does is it helps alleviate the busyness to the eye and allows the eye to attract what you want to see, such as the beautiful windows, such as the beautiful soffits and fascia, such as that fascia board. So what we did was we decided to paint the body into the corner boards and not repeat the past, because the past doesn't create our future. Anyways, this is just a little tip to you because a lot of homeowners go through the struggle of repeating the same color scheme that they have previously, and that can cause problems in the mind. So this tip, hopefully it helps. You don't always have to repeat the same color schemes as you did in the past. You can sometimes create a new future with your new home by painting in corner boards. Hope this helps. See you later.